I'm Litsa. I'm a storyteller, a writer, and I like to experience life with lots of flavor and gusto. The red pepper flakes, they're dancing together in my mouth. I want to share with you the hidden gems of Greece that are not as well known, but just as beautiful. It's a land filled with passionate people who do things with meraki, with all their heart and soul. Don't fool yourself. You want good results? Buy a Mercedes. There you go, that's the Mercedes. We'll find out why these recipes are unique, and I'll show you how to make them. Think of the chicken running wild, eating all the perfect stuff. There you go, my little bird. But the chicken is dead, doesn't feel it. Oh! This is a wild marjoram that grows only in the rocks of the mountains. Imagine it likes to grow in the mountains? I mean, why? Last recipe is going to be a fig bar recipe. So our mixture is ready. Take me to Ithaca.
Take 2.
Like my grandma used to say, work with the man in your life through his stomach. If he's nice and full, you ask him whatever you want. The world, he's gonna give it to you. That's my grandma, that's not me. Oh wow. The aroma. It's delicious, it's healthy, it smells good, the elements are coming together, and it's easy and it's fast. They knew something, these people from Ithaca. Another secret exposed. Join me next time as we explore another hidden gem of Greece and its culinary secrets here on Litsa's World. Come along and let's get started.